Okay, for this video, we're going to make sure that, again, the shape loader is open and that MS Physics is open. So go to View, Toolbars. Again, all I have open for this is Large Tool Set, MS Physics, and Shape Loader. Okay, make sure those are open. I'm now going to make a floor underneath her. Helps me with size a little bit. There we go. And I am going to pull that down, that. And now I just want to show you if I put something on there and I press play, it falls through. That's because it's resting on nothing. This is nothing. This is, if it's not a group, MS Physics ignores it. I'm going to triple click it. I'm going to make it a group. And now when I press play, they're going to fall together. And now when I click on it and I right click and I go to MS Physics, State, I'm going to Static, and I press play, and now it's a floor. Okay, so let me just take this and I'm going to erase it. Now we're going to make a Jenga game. And to do that, the pieces do have to be a specific size or they will not fit together. The size is going to be 3 by 9 by 2. I do that several different ways. I can get my box. Again, if I'm doing it this way, see how it's symmetrical? I'm going to press Control. And now, again, it's coming from the side, which is super helpful. So if it's not doing that for you, make sure that you click your left button. It toggles back and forth, your left arrow in this way. And see the actual, if you look over here, the actual numbers are showing up over here. So let's make this about 9 feet. I'm going to press Enter. I'm going to pull it over here. It says 3 feet, right? 3 feet. Enter. And now I can pull it up. I'm going to pull it up about, let's just say, 2 feet. Enter. And now I have made a piece for my game. It's going to be very large, but that's perfectly okay. So it's the proportions that are important for this. Now I have a shape. Now, if I want to, I can take this shape and I'm going to make copies of it. So I go over here and I hit the corner. I press Control. And then I may move it over there. I press Control again with the Move tool. And now I have a row of 3. Now, one way to do this is now I can take this entire, I can select, let's get rid of her. I don't really need her anymore. Erase. I can take this entire row. If I hit down here and it says endpoint group, I press Control. I lift it up to here. Then I use the rotate tool. Click rotate. I'm going to make sure it's not going in this direction. It's going in the blue direction. I'm going to go and pull over to here. And then I twist it over here 90 degrees. I click. While these 3 are selected, I go over to the move. I make sure let's get nice and close so I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to take this corner right here, which is endpoint group, and I'm going to move it over here to endpoint group. It's a little close. Let's make it over here, actually. It's going to say endpoint group. I'm going to click it on here, endpoint group. All right. So then I can continue to just take this. Now I can take these. And I'm going to select all of this. I'm going to use my Move tool. I can select here, endpoint group, press Control, click it up. There we go. And that's one way to make the Jenga game. You're going to want to make probably 10 rows or so. Make more if you want. And then when you press play, you can actually pull the pieces out. All right, another way to make the shape so that it's the right size is you can use the actual rectangle tool. Put this down here, right? We're going to go 9 foot, comma, 3 foot. And then we can raise that up to, let's raise this up 2 feet. Now I can select the whole thing, make a group, and now I have the same piece I can use like last time. All right, another thing you want to do with this before you finish it is you definitely want to color them in like it look nice. You can go over here, select your colors, and then just select different colors for the different pieces, whatever you want. Because it's all a group, all you have to do is just click on there like that, and it colors the whole thing. And now you have a finished Jenga game. All right, so good luck.